I'm quitting. Hi everyone. This basement I never go in. What the heck was that? I'm gonna go down. Whoa. It's a long way down. It's a long way down. I don't like going down there. It's dark. It's kind of dark down here, which I do not like. It's like, it's garbage down here. What the heck was that? What the heck was that? I'm gonna raise the door. What do I do? Okay, that was crazy. As you know, that was me making noises. Ooh. Well, bye everyone.